All right, so we officially made it to Lone Pine RV Park, about 30 minutes around Tampa. I don't know if we're north or south. I think we're south of Tampa. We just got here. It is Sunday evening, and we are getting ready for the Florida RV show, the Florida RV Super Show. We're looking for a new camper. If you've seen some of our TikToks or Instagrams or whatever, you'll know that we're looking for a toy hauler. We're really set on the Brinkley, but we're going to look at every single... We don't know, but we're going to look at every single one, but the Brinkley is sounding really good right now.
It checks all the boxes.
It checks all the boxes. And it's not incredibly expensive compared to Lux, New Horizons, those types. So that's what we're looking at. We'll see what we do. Kristel is making sugar... almost said sugar-free.
They're not sugar-free.
They better be sugar all
I would make sugar-free, but Jason is all about the sugar. So I'm making him some sugared cinnamon maple pecans. So in the air fryer.
Yeah, we use the air fryer. This is probably our most used cooking utensil. This Ninja Foodie.
Which, when I bought it, and it came in, and I mean, it's ginormous. It fits in our oven. Jason gave me a lot of shit about it. But I use it pretty much almost daily.
So the only reason I gave her shit is because when she first bought it, it was huge.
It is huge.
Still is huge. It didn't shrink. But I've since gotten used to it and love it.
Yeah, because I make all your food.
Not all of it. Show you what we got going on. We got Winter down here doing nothing. Let me show you the camper though, since we are getting ready to trade it in, sell it, whatever. It looks so bare. Well, we got the blinds, but all Kristel's decorations are gone. Our Florida and Texas is off the wall. Everything's it just looks so bare now. Pretty sure you just saw a ladybug fly.
I feel like you like it that way.
So, I kind of do like it sterile.
Boring.
I like it sterile looking. I like it clean. To me, with nothing on the counters and stuff or on the walls, I know that's weird. Just looks like a clean house.
Look, I don't like a bunch of stuff, but I like some stuff. You gotta have it like your own personality.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see these bad boys. They just came out. They're hot.
They're good.
What does it taste like?
A pecan with cinnamon and sugar on it.
Well, I did some maple syrup in there too, and some vanilla.
It tastes like love.
Yeah, that's love, all right. All right, we are almost at the Florida RV Super Show for Industry Day. We are so excited. It's our first time going to Industry Day. We did all the media stuff yesterday for our first time. That was pretty fun and interesting, and we got to meet people that we've been following for a few years now, so that's always a cool thing. But we are now in search for our new home. We're obviously going to get a lot of content and film a bunch of RVs and cool builds and all that cool stuff, but our main goal for this week is definitely to find our new and brand new home. After 4.5 years of having the same fifth wheel, we've outgrown, and now we need a toy hauler for our business. So it's exciting. We have a few that we're going to be definitely checking out. The Brinkley is probably #1 on our list. We love the Alliance. The Keystone Raptor looks awesome. So we're going to look at every single one out there. Obviously the new Axiom as well. It's not on our list, but it would definitely be cool to look at. Yep. So follow along and see which one we pick.
right, Kristel, so you have seen all the toy haulers for today, everything that was on our list. This is day one. This is industry day. It's not even open to the public yet. And I think we've already made our decision. I'm not going to say what I have chosen or what I think. I'll let you go first.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
So I would say it would be down to 3. We're in the Brinkley right now, so this is definitely one of the choices. I would say the Grand Design, one of the Momentums, and then the Alliance, 44V14 would be the 3.
Do we already think we know our choice?
We know our choice.
Yeah.
But what do you guys think?
Oh. Ooh.
Ooh. I think we gotta wait.
For what?
The suspense. We really need to see some of these other ones because right now I'm like completely like got love goggles on right now.
It's like 9:30 already, and we chose.
I'm like, all right, I'm done. We're here all week. We're done.
We're just gonna hang out.
Big, huge couch.
All right, so what do we think about this one? This is the Alliance Valor 44V14.
It's beautiful. The bathroom is still an issue because it doesn't have enough storage inside with that extra door opening.
Yep.
The cabinets are nice. The kitchen's nice. You still get a solid prep area at least.
Yep,
with
no
this
sink
one,
over there,
which is
so get
nice.
along. Yeah.
And I like how it steps up right here.
I like the big sink. There's no divider.
Yes, I think we're liking that.
Yeah. Decent size, probably about the normal size. TV, probably 55-inch. I really don't know, but. And then the garage section, we've got a little bathroom over here that is plenty if you don't need a shower. Coleman mock air conditioners, washer dryer hookup.
So I think this is a 14-foot garage. That's what the V14 is.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah,
so
you're right.
You can see the difference. There's a.
Even between this and the Brinkley that we're looking at, I think this garage is bigger.
It is because that's 11.
Okay.
Okay, so the Fusion and Raptor, I guess I think they have the same, but their trim levels are different. I'm assuming.
I thought the Raptor was the higher of the two, but
I don't know, but I'm
this
kind of
Fusion
liking
is
this.
really nice.
I'm kind of liking this one better.
Yeah.
I think too. I like the two-tone of the cabinets.
Yep.
Now the Raptor had the prettier handles.
Yeah.
But here there's not a lot of like counter.
There's not. Yeah, that's true.
So,
there is not a lot of counter space compared to the Raptor.
Got a little coffee bar.
Definitely
but
not compared to the Brinkley.
This window is ginormous.
Yeah, it has 2 big windows in it.
Yep.
The couches look nice. They
Yep.
recline.
Yep.
Yeah, so this is the last day of the RV show, and we're technically leaving today. So I think this is where we're going to leave this video. And we'll do another one talking about what we did, what we bought. Pretty excited about that. Show you guys what we got. Thank you.
I got a Yankee Doodle sweetheart. Yankee Doodle came to London just to ride a pony. I am that Yankee Doodle. I